Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. This is USD pair and this is uptrend market. Okay, I will place a layer option. Now I am expecting another bearish candle. This is a support area. This is a market momentum. And next level it here. That's the reason I placed a lower option. And previously it's entered the very strong candle. That's the reason I place a lower option. And this is sellers area and buyers area. Let's see. And there is no buyer rejection. This is also buyer rejection. Already some buyers entry. Again this candle very strongly closing point at the level. That's the reason I placed a lower option. You can see some sellers are very strongly into the market at the support level. Reach the support level. Okay, this evening trade. Have checked the next pair. And this is a late entry. Very good entry point. Okay. Little bit go down. I will place a layer option. Okay, I will place a layer option. I'm expecting to make a retracement candle. After this very strong candle, I'm expecting to make a retracement. Next buyer's entry point at here, and this is a seller's entry point. Okay, this is seller rejection. This is also seller's entry point. Okay, I'm expecting to make a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. Let's see. And little bit late entry. Okay, let's see. How 10 seconds only. If you like my analysis, try to hit the like button and subscribe button. And this also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, I will place a layer option. Okay, I will place a layer option. This is a major trend is downtrend market, and this is a buyer's area. Okay, this is a reversal points. Okay, there is no seller's entry. Okay, there is no seller's entry. Sometimes it's going to happen. Okay, I am easily recover this trade. Don't worry. This is a breakout candle. I am expecting to make a retracement candle. Okay, I am expecting to make a retracement candle. Why? Because this is a very strong downtrend market. After breakout, I am expecting to make a retracement candle. Okay. And I am expecting this candle closing below my entry point. Okay. Let's see. Some sellers are very strong to enter the market. Okay. Let's see how check the next pair. Maybe it's giving a winning trade easily. Have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is a very strong buyer's in. Okay, I will place a higher option. I'm expecting to make a retracement candle again. Okay. Why? Because this is a buyer's area breakout, and previously some buyers are very strongly enter the market. That's the reason I place some retracement candle. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it's not giving a retracement candle. Okay, maybe the sellers are very strong to enter the market. Still I will try to place a higher option. What very late entry. Okay, actually I'm expecting this level make a retracement candle, but after this candle buyers enter the market. Why? Because this is a very strong selling force. That's the reason again some sellers enter the market maybe. Okay, but this type of candle, after most of the time some buyers enter the market, make a retracement candle. Okay, this is a very strong sellers, maybe that's the reason again make another bearish candle, and previously loss of my trade. I'm recover this trade. Okay, this is ATM, but this is also bullish candle. Okay, no problem. Check the next pair. Okay, this is a 50-50 chances. I'm expecting to make a bullish candle, but this market is not good. This is a buyer's area. Maybe it's going up. Okay, have 5 seconds only. Okay, you can see some buyers and sellers very equally forced, and already I'm saying this is a 50-50 chances. There is no confident. So many doji candles at here. Still this is a doji candle, you can see, but my late entry, it's giving a doji candle, and still there is no confident. You can see very strong sellers and buyers equally forced at here. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay. Have tried to recover this trade. Okay, have checked the level. Okay, I'll place a higher option. I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Another, this is a marbuji candle, but I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Why? Because this is a very strong buyer's entry, and this is a buyer's area, not a seller's area. That's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, and there is no nearby seller's area, and next seller's area pointed here and here. Okay, there is a gap. You can see some buyers enter the market again. Let's see, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, this also winning trade, but little bit buying force at this buyer's area, you can see, and actually seeing this buyer's area after place a trade, and it's make a rejection this buyers, and this a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Still I will place a higher option. Okay, this market is not good. Actually I'm expecting this type of market, so that's the reason I will place a higher option only, but there is no confident, and sellers and buyers area at here easily predict the next candle, but there is no sellers and buyers equally make a doji candle. So many doji candles at here. and place a trade only candlestick psychology, make a momentum and direction. You can see this is a direction. Okay, this also winning trade. Have check the next pair. Okay, I can see this is a buyer's area. Now this is a seller's area. So there is a confusion. Sometimes our candle make a breakout candle, sometimes I'll make a strong Marbuji candle, strong seller's entry. So there is no confidence, you can see. After this candle I have tried to place a trade. But this is a seller's area. Most of the time some sellers enter the market. It's a buyer's area. Okay, this is a long wick. There is no confidence. Okay, I have tried to place a lower option. Okay. There is no confidence. Maybe it's going up. Okay, I'll place a lower option. Okay. This is a buying force, and after touch the support area, it's going more up. Some buyers enter the market. Okay, after this candle some sellers enter the market confirmly. Okay, I'll place a lower option. This is a confident trade. Easily enter the sellers, no doubt. Okay. Why? Because it's break the sellers area, and this also round number, and this is a Marbuji candle. That's why reason I place a lower option. Okay. Okay, let's say have 20 seconds only. Okay, have 10 seconds only. Okay, we have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. Some losses are common, but prediction is important. Okay, psychology is very important. Okay, I'll place a 6 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.